Finally, my own wall. Even better. Walls! This is a dream come true. At least I hope so. Hello guys, my name is Doke, and today I'll do something for the first time ever. Yeah, those of you who have seen the very last video know what I'm talking about. My walls. I'm talking about my own walls. I built them so I can paint in a super comfortable environment without the need to pack, travel, or worry about my long-term paintings. As you can see, the walls are still virgin, but we're about to change that today. First of all, let me point out some stuff that might go wrong with my walls. The first wall, the billboard, is super awesome and so on, but it's pretty high. And the ground under the wall is uneven, which might be a problem when I try to use a ladder. Also, although there is a little piece of roof above the wall, it gets wet pretty easily, as you can see. If we want to talk about the second wall, the Instagram, well, the surface underneath the wall is more even. And if we want to talk about the roof and the protection of the wall, the higher part of the wall is completely covered and dry, and the lower part of the wall is kind of wet. But anyways, that should be okay. One more concern that I'm having with the Instagram wall is that it is right next to the neighbor's terrace. So it won't be really comfortable when I paint over here for them, because the spray paint smells, but I hope that they're gonna be okay with that. Enough of the concerns, let's jump to the good stuff. If you're wondering why am I using this roller, well, you know, sometimes shit happens. The lower part of the wall is moving quite a bit because it's just hanging on this wooden part. But that's not a problem at all. Beautiful. The fact that the wall is under a tree is great because during the super hot summer days I'll be in a shade. But it also creates this shade on a wall which makes painting and also, well, especially filming a bit annoying, because a part of the wall is in sun, another part is in shade, and that's just not ideal. Okay, right now I need cans. Hey! All the cans that I could possibly need. My beloved Molotov Beltons and Flame. Alright, let's paint. The person that I'm painting today, I don't know him, and I truly hope that he's not some kind of a serial killer or something, because in that case the artwork would have a I really hope that it's not someone famous for something infamous. Yeah. Okay, the day's coming to the end and I need to go home. And this is the biggest advantage of my own wall. As you can see, I'm not done at all. Oh. Ow. And yeah, if I was painting on a normal legal spot, I would be afraid that someone will destroy my painting. Right now, I'm not. And I also don't need to peg all the cans, I just need to put them few meters further and I can go. See you tomorrow. I can drink my morning coffee and get back to work right away. That's hot. That's hot. I gotta tell you that in the beginning of this painting I didn't feel so confident, but right now it's getting better. But it's time for the most important part, the eyes. Please, just don't mess this up. Please. I have a feeling that it looks too sharp with the brush, so maybe I'll try this one with just a can. I'll use a bit of transparent black. As this is a cigarette and it creates this turquoise light, it needs to reflect on his face, right? This line has to be sharp as possible. Okay. It's done. And everything is already packed because you know where I'm painting today. But yeah, hey, one more concern before the final sum up. I could pick a different first painting because my neighbors, when they see that guy, anyways, it's great. It's just great. I mean, I've been thinking about it, painting illegal spots isn't that bad, but this is just awesome. And I think that I don't really need to say anything else. But if you like the guy, thumbs up would be awesome, and have a nice day. This is it.